The DJI Pocket 4P is now official in China, and from the first real-life tests, we already know a lot of things that couldn't have been noticed before, and they might be the reason for you to consider other, more compelling options at the same price. The first thing to consider is that the Pocket 4P won't be available in the US, and it's still yet to come even in Europe. While there are some Pocket gimbals coming to the US that share many components with DJI's products, these will probably be available only at the end of the year. Another point to consider is the price, which will not be as low as you might have expected. The prices reported by the Chinese websites won't be the same in the Western countries. If you look back at the previously leaked products, the final European prices are usually always 100 to 200 euros higher. So in the end, the Pocket 4P will be placed in the same price range as the Luna Ultra, meaning it can be considered the one and only competitor and even the benchmark for pocket gimbals. That's what can be noticed in the first comparisons that came out, where the Pocket 4P's hardware seems to be far more limited. First of all, the two sensors provide a very inconsistent performance. The cause is mainly the hardware, with the two lenses featuring a different size, aperture, and dynamic range. As many users report, it could also be related to the LOFIC architecture, so it's also very related with the image processing pipeline. Another thing that makes the recording and editing experience far less convenient is the D-Log2 format, which although is very powerful, much more than the D-Log-M, it is still not widely supported and easy to work on since it's only supported by the main 1x lens, and more importantly, it doesn't work with frame rates over 60 frames per second. The Luna Ultra, on the other hand, supports iLog in all focal lengths and frame rates, while featuring open gate recording in 8K, while the Pocket 4 only reaches 4K at 240. So the video performance seems quite disappointing and frustrating. Here it is compared with the Luna Ultra. As you can see, the telelens is a lot less sharp and detailed in challenging lighting conditions, and it just can't focus on very close subjects. Overall, both cameras seem to offer great performance, but the Pocket 4P is quite disappointing, considering how long DJI's been developing it. It looks like it doesn't particularly stand out in performance, while the Luna Ultra offers better video capabilities, build quality, and unique features. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you're subscribed to not miss any new update.